NASA's new mission launch can make every individual on Earth filthy rich, as NASA plans to aim for the Golden Asteroid this time. The massive Golden Asteroid orbits around the Sun, right between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This golden asteroid is officially named the 16 Psyche, and the width of 16 Psyche is determined as 140 miles or 226 kilometers. NASA believes 16 Psyche consists of metal cores instead of a rocky or icy center like the other asteroids. But the thing that makes the golden asteroid more interesting is its estimated worth of $10,000 quadrillion. Hello and welcome back to another video from the Door to the Universe, where we talk about the recent discoveries, missions, and news from NASA. Today, we are taking you on a detailed journey to the golden asteroid, or 16 Psyche, and we'll discuss why NASA wants to open a window to this asteroid. The Psyche mission is supposed to be a part of NASA's Discovery program of low-cost robotic space missions. The 16 Psyche is supposed to be a broken or detached part of a dead planet, and it mainly consists of iron, nickel, and gold combined. Scientists from NASA believe that this mission will get the people a substantial metallic chunk as an asset, and give the scientists a much deeper insight into the Earth's crust. However, the Psyche mission is not launching for the first time. It was launched earlier in August 2022, and its arrival was expected in 2026. However, a few software malfunctions and other technical issues caused the eruption of the mission. Nevertheless, Arizona State University and NASA teams are all set to relaunch the mission on the 10th of October 2023. This time, the launch is expected to arrive in 2029. Instead of 2026, according to the new database. The teams are supposed to be managing and leading the mission, with NASA JPL. Maxar Technologies in Palo Alto, California, is responsible for the payloads and spacecraft's electric propulsion chassis, including a gamma-ray spectrometer, an imager, and a magnetometer. JPL Director Lori Leshin says, "I'm extremely proud of the Psyche team. During this review, they have already demonstrated significant progress toward the future launch date. I'm confident in the plan and excited by the unique and important science this mission will return." The Jet Propulsion Laboratory team studied the causes of the delay of the 16 Psyche missions in California in June. Thomas Zerbashin, the Associate Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington, said, "I appreciate the hard work of the Independent Review Board and the JPL-led team towards mission success. The lessons learned from Psyche will be implemented across our entire mission portfolio. I'm excited about the science insights Psyche will provide during its lifetime and its promise to contribute to our understanding of our own planet's core." NASA initiated Psyche in 2017 while investigating a previously undiscovered metal. The calculations for launching the mission took almost 5 years to be executed. The compelling interest of scientists in exploring and reaching out for the golden asteroid is because the asteroid is a lump sum of expensive nickel, iron, and gold. The asteroid is almost as big as an entire country and can become a significant source of overcoming the financial crisis of our planet. Although the estimated amount of this treasure is $10,000 quadrillion, the right amount can only be calculated after the launch reaches the asteroid. The reason is the exact quantity of metals found in the asteroid and the quality and grade of all the materials discovered. The lead astronomers working on the 16 Psyche mission have explained that the golden asteroid is a protoplanetary, or simply an asteroid that fused into a planet but never developed enough to be recognized as a planet by NASA. The innermost core of Psyche is considered to be in a hot, molten metal state, which might or may have solidified due to collision with other materials. Contact with other space rocks may have caused the erosion of the outermost layer of Psyche, resulting in the failed transformation from asteroid to planet. However, the tables seem to turn when new research claimed a different scenario regarding the golden asteroid. A recent study titled "Constraining the Regolith Composition of Asteroid 16 Psyche via Laboratory Visible Near-Infrared Spectroscopy" claimed that 16 Psyche could be less metallic and worthy than estimated in earlier research. Instead, it could be an intact and exposed metallic core of iron and nickel of a protoplanet. So what does this research constitute? for the future of Earth. 16 Psyche could be less rich in metal chunks and might not be worth $10,000 quadrillion, but it still has enormous value for sure. It might be less than a quadrillion, but it can easily cross $10,000 billion in financial worth. Besides, this mission is most likely to uncover the hidden or misunderstood nature of the Earth's core. Fun fact: the 16 Psyche was named so because it was the 16th asteroid ever discovered. 16 Psyche was discovered by the Italian astronomer in 1852, Annibale di Gasperi. He found the golden asteroid at a distance of about 370 million kilometers, or about 230 million miles. As we know, the dwarf planet Ceres is a giant planet in the belt of asteroids. However, 16 Psyche is estimated to be only about 1% of that belt. Talking about the close percentages of materials and size of 16 Psyche, it is 82.5% metal. The remaining percentages include 7% low proxene and 10.5% carbonaceous chondrite. Such percentages in a small matter like 16 Psyche causes it to get recognized as an asteroid or protoplanet instead of a planet. According to previous studies, the golden asteroid was supposed to be 95% metal mass, and the other 5% was combined low-level proxene and carbonaceous chondrite. However, these calculations were overruled by the latest research for the new mission launch. The lead author, David Cantillo, an undergraduate student at Arizona, said, "Our work shows that 16 Psyche is a lot more interesting than expected." That drop in metallic content and bulk density is attractive because 16 Psyche is more modified than previously thought. The team working on 16 Psyche has revealed a detailed map of their mission. The researchers created a map using thorough research of a massive array of ground telescopes in northern Chile and state-of-the-art simulations. The pictures of researchers show signs of volcanic eruption on the asteroid and a rough metallic texture. The map also indicates a few massive depressions with a specific texture pattern. The pits appear to be filled with fine sand, but the sand's components are unidentifiable at times. Psyche has a fantastic range of features and distinctions. The rocky part resembles the remnants of an ancient mantle comparable to Earth's core. However, craters containing metals support the idea that the asteroid's old core chilled and ejected metallic lava eruptions, causing the surface's rare texture. The lead author, Saverio Cambioni, the Crosby Distinguished Postdoctoral Fellow in MIT's Department of Earth, Atmospheric, and Planetary Sciences, or EAPS, per MIT News, said, "Psyche's surface is very heterogeneous. It's an evolved surface, and these maps confirm that metal-rich asteroids are fascinating, enigmatic worlds." It's another reason to look forward to the Psyche mission going to the asteroid. The map presented several colors to indicate various properties of the asteroid. As explained by Public World, the map on the left showed Psyche's surface texture. The purple and lower area denote the sandy part of Psyche. However, the texture ranges from sandy to rocky texture, which is marked by yellow color and higher areas. The map on the right side denoted the abundance of the Psyche. The abundance ranges from higher concentration to lower concentration. The low abundant materials are indicated by purple, while the highly abundant materials are indicated by yellow. The metallic nature of 16 Psyche was verified using the ALMA data. The ALMA data initially stated that the core nature of 16 Psyche is silicate, which was later degraded by constant exposure and contact with other space materials. The studies also determined that the asteroid spins due to which the bottom of the asteroid changes temperature faster than the rim area. All such properties indicate the presence of grained materials in the form of ponds of soil or sand. However, the rim is comparatively stony or rocky and heats up much more quickly. The 16 Psyche will answer a lot of questions along the mission, like what is the actual age of this asteroid? What does the surface of this protoplanet hold? What amendment can this mission bring to Earth? All these questions will be answered soon if the 16 Psyche mission succeeds in time. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe below for more videos just like this one, from the door to the universe. We'll see you in the next video.